this goal, 5 seconds. Worked back out to the point from McCarr. Down to the circle, McKinnon across from Landeskog. Rebound, score! Nazem Kadri with time winding down.
That looked like to me that the puck had crossed the line before we hit zeros. The puck hits the post. There, and then there. Kadri, who had a great chance right before that. Couldn't believe he missed it. He's got an empty net with time expiring. Does this puck cross the goal line before zeros on the board? That's the question.
Wow, how close is that?
Oh, man, that is right on the line.
It's tight.
Got to be completely over the line. Watch the clock. There's the puck. 1. Looks like a good goal there. At .1, it looks like it's over. Right there. Now, is that puck completely over? That camera is not directly over the goal line. It's off center a little bit. So, again, the league is looking at a bunch of different looks.
Upon review, we have a goal on the ice. We need the clock reset to .1.
It is a goal. So